Manufacturing or developing a product involves making hundreds of decisions early on in the process, such as the best solvent to use.
Solvents are liquids essential to facilitating reactions, enabling separations and workup, lowering viscosity for transport, and cleaning equipment. These operations are all critical in chemical and pharmaceutical production.
Here at the Center for Process Systems Engineering, researchers are investigating how digital tools and algorithms can be used to narrow the field of options and make manufacturing processes more efficient. Smart digital design methods, when applied to manufacturing processes, can help bring products to market more quickly, make manufacturing more sustainable, and reduce the need for dangerous and costly experiments.
Imagine the process of making new medicine. Hundreds of decisions need to be made early on, all of which impact cost, quality, the environment, and safety in complex ways. With so many combinations possible, choosing the right solvents and operating conditions is like looking for a needle in a haystack. We need to help experimentalists determine what to test to make designs cheaper, faster, and safer. So at CPSC we are developing new digital tools and algorithms to guide experimental work. We play with molecular bricks, using scientific understanding to develop models that link molecules to properties and to process performance. We develop algorithms that learn on the fly to optimize the process. Based on a few designs, they hone in on the most promising high-performance designs amongst the thousands and thousands of options.
Digital tools and models can be used in so many different ways to speed up and improve process development. My philosophy is to assist the thought processes of subject matter experts rather than to prescribe set answers. For solvent selection, consider an iterative workflow where we first maximize the information we obtain from experiments and/or ab initio calculations, then use this information to find the best solvent. Such a workflow relies critically on quantitative approaches together with the modeling expertise to support them. Here, physical-chemical properties are the Rosetta Stone, bridging the chemical world and mathematical techniques. The innovations being pursued at CPSC, such as digital solvent selection, are a key enabler to increasing our efficiency and effectiveness to fulfill our mission, doing now what patients need next.